Okay guys, I got a 2009 here. It is a Chevy Aveo. And like I said on my other video, if you have a 2011, you have the last year, because in 12 they went to the Sonic, the Chevy Sonic. So if you need the inner belt, I've already made a video of that, and I will put the video in the link in the description below for you if you need that, or click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos and you can get that one. So this one's called the stretch belt on the power steering, and it's the front one. So the way you take it off is just cut it off with a pair of dikes and it comes off. There's no adjustment on this power steering. So the stretch belt, we just put it around the lower pulley, and it just goes from that pulley to the power steering pulley. And then we wrap this up with zip ties, as you can see here, and one zip tie back here to hold it. So it's on the lower pulley and it's partially on the upper pulley. So now we're just gonna bump it over. If when you bump it over it starts, shut it off real quick, because we need to take the zip ties off. All right, well, most of them came off, but there you go, it's all stretched on. So now we'll pull the zip ties, the rest of them out of there, and we will be good to go. So when you bump it over, try to just barely bump it over, just like he did. And that's how you put the stretch belt on. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.